The Craftsman 16-gallon wet and dry vacuum is equipped with a robust 6.5 peak horsepower motor, making it ideal for tackling large cleanup tasks in both the garage and job site. Its built-in blower port provides the added functionality of quickly clearing leaves and debris, enhancing its versatility for both indoor and outdoor use. This vacuum features an oversized drain, which allows for the convenient and swift emptying of liquids, saving users time and effort. The 2.5-inch diameter hose, designed with dual flex technology, ensures flexibility and resilience against kinks, providing ease of use during operation. Included with the vacuum are essential accessories such as a car nozzle, utility nozzle, wet nozzle, and a Qwik Lock filter, offering comprehensive solutions for various cleaning needs. The Craftsman vacuum's onboard storage for the hose and accessories helps to minimize clutter, ensuring that everything you need is within easy reach and neatly organized.